Hey people, so this lockdown period, I'm really, yeah, Japanese is one language I really want to learn, yeah, and that's why any kind of show that I find on Netflix that is a Japanese show, I make sure to stop and watch. Now, there is this particular series called Naked Director. I mean, much like the name, it is no, yeah. I mean, it has 8 episodes, but I mean, it's a very it's about how this one person who was an encyclopedia salesman, struggling encyclopedia salesman, decides to switch to peddling porn magazines and finally becoming a director of kind of porn movies, simply since he realized it is very lucrative. And the reason behind all this is basically um, he catches his wife cheating on him, he catches them red-handed, and her explanation was that he didn't know how to do the thing, that's why she was not happy, and that's why. So he takes it on himself to kind of learn the techniques involved in so that's how he strays into the adult industry. So it's quite a intriguing storyline, and it's not a story. In fact, it's based on real life events, and so you know, Japanese cinema is, I won't say it's leagues ahead of other kind of cinema, but it's very different in its approach. Yeah, I mean, no matter what the storyline, there's a lot of depth in all the portrayal. Like you really feel for the struggling encyclopedia salesman. So that's what people try and catch it. It's called Naked Director, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.